The SS-5 Social Security form is used to obtain a Social Security card for the first time or to replace an old or expired card. You may need to replace a card if your last one was stolen, lost, contained errors in personal data, or contained outdated information with regards to your name or citizenship status. You can also submit the SS-5 form on behalf of your dependent children. Click the link in the description to start filling out your form right away. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of the SS-5 Social Security form that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. To apply for a Social Security card, open the SS-5 form in the online editor and complete it with your personal information. Fill out your full name, place and date of birth, and your citizenship status. Provide your previous Social Security number if you had one. Check the appropriate boxes to choose your ethnicity and race. If you are applying on behalf of a dependent child, fill out the parental information such as the full names and Social Security numbers. If you are applying for a replacement card, give details such as the name and date of birth previously stated in your document. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your Social Security SS-5 form right in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you'd like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.